Crack MHT-CET Chemistry exam effortlessly with Target Standard 12 MHT-CET Triumph Chemistry Part 2. Aligned with the latest MHT-CET syllabus, the book includes over 4,000 multiple-choice questions spanning easy, moderate, and complex difficulty levels. Crack the pattern of questions asked with MHT-CET previous year's questions as well as the latest MHT-CET papers. Access answers to all questions and detailed solutions to difficult questions which are available via QR codes. Reinforce key concepts with quick review. Study smartly with smart keys such as keynotes for good practice, caution, smart code, thinking hatke, shortcuts. Triumph over the MHT-CET with Target.